Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So KCET Counselling is round the corner and most of you must be participating in this for the first time. So it is quite obvious that you will have a lot of doubts, a lot of questions regarding the entire KCET counselling procedure, right? So in this video, I am here to give you a comprehensive guide about the KCET counselling process where we will be discussing all the steps starting from downloading of verification slip, the choice filling, the different decisions available for you, and then going towards the reporting to the college, different rounds that are available in the KCET counselling. So we'll be making all this discussion in detail so that you don't have any doubt regarding the KCET counselling processes, right? And this will help you so that you will be more confident to participate in the KCET counselling process, which is going to start in a few days. Okay, so this document, which is you can see here, is from the KCET Counselling 2023, but this is the official document, and your KCET Counselling 2024 will almost be similar to this one. So there is no need to worry, we can just understand the process in detail so that you don't face any difficulties in your KCET counselings. Okay, so now let us begin. So please watch the complete video to understand all the details of the KCET counselling. So now first of all, we'll discuss each and every step in detail. So now at what stage we are in the KCET counselling? So most of you must have downloaded your verification slip, right? It is already out. The link was out few days before. So downloading a verification slip from the KEA website, right? This one is the first step that is almost over for most of you. Now what you have to do in this, you have to verify the details printed on the verification slip. Contact KEA in case of any discrepancy. Okay, so suppose your category, your name, any mistake is there, please inform the KEA immediately. And if everything is all right, you can see a secret key printed on the verification slip. Okay, so there will be a CET number, application number, and a secret key, right? So read the information bulletin for entry of the options and seat allotment procedure. So we will be discussing this in detail. So this secret key is very important to start your counselling process. Now what is there? The second step is entry of options by the eligible candidates. So those who are having the verification slip, who are having the secret key, are now eligible to participate in the counselling process. So what is the next step? That is the entry of options by the eligible candidates. What is this option entry? So option entry means indication of colleges or courses in order of priority to the KEA portal. So there are different courses, there are different colleges which you want to join. So you have to arrange them, or you have to give your preferences which you want to join. Okay, so that is called as option entry. Now you can see here, based on the priority of the options entered by the candidate, the seat allotment will take place. So why is this step important? So once you make the preference list, you make the option entry. On that list only, on the basis of that list, your college, your course will be allotted to you. Okay, so this is very important step. You have to do it very carefully, because the next 4 years, which college you are going to study, which course you are going to get, so all depends on how strategically you made your option entry list, how wisely you make your preference list. Okay, so different things that you must consider while this will be your cutoff, your which college you want, the fees, and the placement package. So all these things you have to consider before making the best preference list for yourself. Okay, now coming to the next thing, after this is done, the third step is publication of mock seat allotment results. So what happens once you make your preference list and there is a mock allotment? Okay, so this is not the actual allotment. What is the meaning of mock allotment? Here it means that it tells you that probably this is most preferably you may be getting this college and this course. Okay, but again remember, this is not the final one, it is only a mock allotment. Okay, now after this, so after the okay, let us see here next. After the mock seat allotment results are published, candidates can add or delete or modify or rearrange the options. Finally, the saved options will be used for seat allotment. Okay, now what is this is so once the mock allotment is done, you are according to your preference list, you are able to know which college you will be getting, which course you will be getting. So if you want to make any changes in that in your preference list, you can still make after the mock allotment, and once that is done, the publication of first round seat allotment result will be done. So this is the actual seat allotment result that is published. Okay, so first there will be a mock allotment. Based on that, you can make your changes, you can make your preferences, any modifications you can make. After that, you will be getting the final seat allotment after the mock allotment. Now in this is very important. Here, once you get your seat, the final seat which you are getting after the mock allotment, you are having 4 options to make. Okay, so what is your first option? That is choice 1. Once the publication of first round seat allotment is done, there are 2 cases. Either you get a seat in the first round or you do not get any seat in the first round. So if you get any seat in the first round, then you have 4 options for that, right? So the first one here is choice 1. In choice 1, what is it? You are satisfied with the seat that you are getting. Okay, you are very happy with the college and the course you have got, and you want to take admission in that particular college. So what you have to do, you have to report to the college. Okay, so that is your choice 1, where you are satisfied with the college and course that you have received and you want to join that college. So your next step will be reporting to the college. Now choice 2 is for those that you are satisfied with the college that you are getting, but you wish to participate in the second round. Okay, with the hope that you may get a better college and a better course. But here what you are doing, you are holding the allotted seat. Means in case in the next round you do not get the seat you want, the seat that you have got now will still be retained with you. You won't lose that seat, right? I hope this is clear. But you are not joining this college now. Okay, but we are waiting for the second round. I hope the choice 2 is clear. It is very simple. Choice 2 is like this. Suppose you are getting a college and a particular course. You are satisfied, but you are hoping for better college or a better course. Okay, in that case, what will happen? If you select this choice 2, this seat is with you. Okay, it is still with you. And in the next round, if you get a better seat, that is fine. If you do not get, you are okay with this seat. Okay. Now choice 3 is not satisfied but wish to participate in the second round without holding any seat. Now this comes, choice 3 is when the seat that you have got, you are completely unhappy with that, you don't want at all this course and you are wishing to participate in the next round of counseling. So in that case what will happen, this seat, okay, in the next round also if you don't get any seat, then this seat you will also lose, and if you get any seat in the next round, then you can take that. Okay, so but the point is you are not holding the seat that you have got right now. You will lose that if you select choice 3. Okay, now choice 4 is very simple. Not satisfied and not interested, wish to exit the allotment process. So in that case what happens, you are not happy with the college and you do not want to further go to the counseling process, you do not want to participate further. So what you can do is, if you select this one, you are exiting from the counseling process. You will no more be considered for the next rounds of the counseling. Clear? Now, that I told you in the starting, after the publication of first round seat allotment result, there will be 2 cases. Either you will be getting a seat or you will not be getting a seat, right? So if you get a seat, you have these 4 options. But if you do not get a seat, then directly you will be participating in the second round seat allotment. Okay. So once first round is over, there will be a second round of seat allotment. Now let us see what happens in this round. In the second round, again you will get a chance to, candidates can alter or delete or modify or rearrange the options. Finally, the saved options will be used for seat allotment. So once the first round is over, again you will have an option to modify your preference list, to add or remove any colleges, any courses you want. Okay. Now after this, again what will happen? Publication of second round seat allotment results will take place. Okay, very similar to the first round. So now the second round seat allotment will be taking place. Now here, if you are allotted a seat, okay, here again there is 2 cases that you are allotted a seat and you are not allotted a seat. Okay, so if you are not allotted a seat, you have to go for the next round, you have to wait for the next round. If you are allotted a seat, again you have the 4 options, right? Very similar for like what we have in the first round, choice 1. So what you have to do in choice 1, so if you are happy with the college that was allotted in the second round, then you have to select choice 1. You have to you are interested to join this college, so now you can join this college. You have to report to the college and you are exiting from the counseling process. Okay, you will no longer be considered in the next round. Now similarly in the choice 2, okay, so choice 2, if you select, you are satisfied but you want to wait for the better option, so you have to wait for the next round, and in this case you will be considered for the next round of the counseling and you are not joining the college. Now coming to the choice 3, okay, here what happened, here you are not satisfied okay, and you are going to participate in the next round. So in choice 3 you are not satisfied and you are wishing to participate in the second extended round, and you are not holding this seat, right? So if you do not get any seat in the next round, this seat you will definitely lose. But in choice 2, if you do not get any seat in the next round, this seat will be retained. Okay, that is the difference between choice 2 and choice 3. And in choice 4, very similar. If you are not interested, you are not willing to participate in the next round, you will exit from the counseling process. Okay, very simple this one. Now coming to the next round. Okay, so now we have the last round, that is second extended round or casual vacancy round seat allotment. So here also you have the chance, all the candidates can alter or delete or modify or rearrange the options. Finally the saved options will be used for seat allotment. Okay, so those students who did not get any seat in the second round, they have to wait for here. Now after this is released, after publication of the second round or casual vacancy round seat allotment results, there will not be any choice to select. Candidates have to compulsorily join the selected college. This is very critical point. So what you have to do, suppose you you have chosen choice 2 and whatever you have done, you didn't get any seat before, but whatever is the if you are getting any seat in the extended round, there is no further choice. You don't have any option to make any decisions further. You have to compulsory join this college only. Okay, so it is very crucial, very important part of your life, of your decision making, which college, which course you will get. So all the decisions you must make carefully and you must make informed decisions. Okay, before making any decision, you should have a complete knowledge about all the college, about the process of counseling. This is very important. So we have made a video on this, so just watch this video, and if you have any doubt regarding the counseling process, please comment down. We'll definitely address it. Okay, so take it seriously and invest your time now for understanding the process, for researching the colleges. So any comments you can help, any other way we can help you, please let us know. And thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more such updates.